This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to renew their retirement visa in Chiang Mai. In this video, I'll walk you through the visa renewal process step by step. I'll cover the latest required documents for 2026, a full cost breakdown, the benefits of using an agent, and key things to watch out for with the TM30 and bank documents. Everything is based on my own real experience. Let's start with a quick overview of the retirement visa. It's available to those aged 50 and over and allows you to stay in Thailand for 1 year. However, it must be renewed every year. The key requirement is having a deposit of 800,000 baht or more in a Thai bank account. This is the fundamental condition for visa renewal. Renewing your visa alone is not enough. If you leave Thailand with only a visa and no re-entry permit, your visa will be canceled. That's where the re-entry permit comes in. The single permit costs 1,000 baht and allows one departure and re-entry. The multiple permit costs 3,800 baht and allows unlimited departures and re-entries. One important point, you cannot upgrade from single to multiple after it has been issued. If you plan to travel outside Thailand, for example, returning to Japan, always choose the multiple permit. Now, let's go over the documents required for visa renewal. Passport, fixed deposit passbook, bank balance certificate, fixed deposit account statement, TM30, and 2 passport photos. Also STM.2, STM.9, STM.11, and TM.8. There are quite a few documents, so be sure to check the list carefully in advance. Here's an important update. The bank document requirements have changed as of 2026. There are now 2 documents required. The first is the bank balance certificate. This can be issued at the counter on the same day. The fee is 100 baht. The second is the fixed deposit account statement. This takes about 1 week to process. The fee is 200 baht, and it must be requested in advance. If you forget this, you may find yourself short of documents on the day of your renewal. Please make sure to prepare well ahead of time. Here's how to handle things at Bangkok Bank. The bank balance certificate can be issued on the spot when you visit the counter. Apply for the fixed deposit account statement about 1 week before your renewal date. And don't forget to update your passbook on the day. You'll need to bring it with the most recent balance printed inside. As it turned out, a serious problem was discovered during the agent's document check. The lease period of my apartment matched the expiry date of my visa exactly. This would have made visa extension impossible. I immediately contacted the building manager to request a correction, and the issue was resolved. It's quite hard to catch details like this on your own, isn't it? This is one of the biggest advantages of using an agent. The agent I used this time was Seksan and his team at Chiang Mai Travel. He came to my apartment in advance to pick up the documents. On the day of renewal, he also provided transportation to and from the immigration office. With all the document checking handled by him, I was able to leave everything in his hands with complete peace of mind. Let's confirm some details about Chiang Mai Immigration. It is open Monday through Friday. Hours are 8:30 to 16:30. Payment is cash only, so make sure you have the right amount ready. The visa extension fee is 1,900 baht. Re-entry single is 1,000 baht. Re-entry multiple is 3,800 baht. Please make absolutely sure you remember this. If you go even 1 day past your visa expiry date, renewal becomes impossible from that point. On top of that, overstay penalties include being banned from re-entering Thailand. Over 90 days, banned for 1 year. Over 1 year, banned for 3 years. Over 3 years, banned for 5 years. Over 5 years, banned for a full 10 years.
For anyone who wants to continue living in Chiang Mai, this is something you absolutely must avoid. Take care of your renewal early, well before the deadline. Here's a summary of the costs for this renewal. Visa extension fee, 1,900 baht. Multiple re-entry permit, 3,800 baht. Agent fee, 2,300 baht. Bank balance certificate, 100 baht. Fixed deposit account statement, 200 baht. The total came to 8,300 baht. When you consider that this covers a completely stress-free renewal with agent support, it's a very reasonable amount. Here are the results. Both the retirement visa extension and the multiple re-entry permit were successfully obtained, valid until June 25th, 2027. Date of procedure, May 20th, 2026. Completed smoothly with 0 document errors. Let me summarize once more why I recommend using an agent. They always stay up to date on the latest rules, so you don't need to worry about acting on outdated information. They take care of the language barrier for you. Their document pre-check can catch issues like the TM30 problem I encountered before they become serious. They save you significant time and effort. They come to your apartment to collect the documents and provide transportation on the day. For just 2,300 baht, you can eliminate time, stress, and the risk of paperwork errors entirely. I think that's a genuinely worthwhile investment. Finally, here's a quick summary. Make sure to request your bank documents at least 1 week before your renewal date. Using an agent gives you the perfect combination: peace of mind, a smooth process, and time saved. The agent I used was Seksan at Chiang Mai Travel. Website, chiangmaiuutravel.com. Phone, 063-354-5955. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like.